Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to save WhatsApp status on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to save anyone's WhatsApp status, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your app store and here go for search, and you just have to search for WhatsApp status saver. So simply search for that, and here once you have searched, you just have to install an application from here. In my case, I have installed this one. After installation, simply tap on open and the app will be open in your phone. Here you have to wait for its loading and then allow some permissions. Here you just have to select allow, and here you have to skip this ad first. Once you have skipped, select your language, then select this option from here. Then tap on this done option in the top right corner. And here you just have to learn how can you easily save anyone's status. So tap on this continue option, and here you have to select the theme, and once you have that, you just have to select this continue option, or you can easily select the cross option if you don't want to get the premium version of this app. And here you have to simply select download status, and here first you have to skip this ad. Once you have skipped this ad, you just have to log in it to your WhatsApp, and once you have logged in, you can easily download anyone's WhatsApp status. So in this way, you can easily save WhatsApp status on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.